Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove news section from Google Chrome on Android phone. If you want to remove the news section from Google Chrome on your Android phone, here's how you can do it quickly. First, remember that any changes you make to Chrome will apply to your account across devices where you're signed in. But if you're using a different account or device, you might need to redo this step. Now to remove the News or Discover section, open Chrome and then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From there, select Customize New Tab Page. You'll then see options like New Tab Page Cards and Discover Feed. Simply tap on Discover Feed and you'll have the option to manage or manually turn it off. Once you toggle it off, the news section or highlights will disappear from your Chrome homepage, leaving you with a cleaner, distraction-free start page. And that's how easy it is to remove the news section from Google Chrome on Android. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.